Hello YouTube. I finally got all my stuff in the house moved in fully. So as you can see, my basement is full of stuff. You know, most of it is from exercise stuff from when I was in the apartment, and the stuff that was in storage. So you can see all the stuff that was in storage is in that pile right there. Everything else that you see exercise-wise was with me in the apartment. But I have some work I need to do down here, and so that I can get all my stuff put together and put in place. So I've been down here sweeping, and I got to work on these walls over here. I fixed the outside part of it because the water was seeping in from the driveway side, so I had to fix that. They did a great job of painting and hiding it while they was working on the house. And I still have to fill in the rest of the insulation that I was doing, but I think I'm going to take that out and use foam to fill it in. And then clean the floors. So I got some work to do down here so that I can get back to my exercise. And I did start walking because I haven't been exercising, and yeah, I gained some weight. And my doctor's fussing at me. So my next project, get the basement cleaned up, get my equipment put together. And so hopefully by the beginning of the year, I'll have the majority of this done. And because I still have to paint get some, waterproof paint, and deal with where you see all this brown. That's where the water was seeping in at. So I got a wire brush so that I can deal with this type of stuff, and then fill it in with the Quikrete. So like right here, all that, and then down in that corner over there. But I also have to get rid of all the freaking spiders I found, and but they seem to, after a while they come back. But as you see, these are the windows that I had put in, was it last year? And since those have been put in, my basement is a lot warmer than it was, because it was cold down here last year before I got the windows put in. So I got some work to do, and I'll be filling y'all in as I progress. Now, as far as remodeling and all that kind of stuff, that's gonna take some time. Excuse me. But at least get it cleaned up where I can come down and exercise without having to do the kung fu fighting through the spider webs and whatnot, and get it painted so it looks halfway decent. Of course, I don't know what color I want to paint it after I put the waterproofing paint on there. So we shall see how that works out. But peace.